Hi guys, today on It Is a Keeper, I'm showing you how to make Copycat In-N-Out sauce. This sauce is insane. In-N-Out burgers have a healthy spread of this deliciousness on them, or you can get it drizzled on top of their animal fries. Pure perfection. Now, In-N-Out is a burger joint if you're not familiar with it, but I think you're really gonna love this sauce. So make sure you click on the subscribe button below so you don't miss a single recipe. And if you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Okay, so the first thing we need to do to make this animal sauce is add some mayonnaise to our bowl. Just standard mayonnaise. Now you don't want to use the salad dressing version of mayonnaise. It's the difference between like Hellmann's or Miracle Whip. You don't want to use the Miracle Whip. That has more vinegar in it. You want to go with just standard mayonnaise. To that, we're going to add some ketchup. Just a little bit of ketchup in there. Gives it that nice orange color. Then we're gonna add some sweet pickle relish. Get that going. For sweetness, we need a little bit of sugar. And I know I told you not to use the salad dressing mayonnaise because of the vinegar, but we are going to add some vinegar. But this allows us to control just how much vinegar is going into the recipe. So I have some white vinegar there. I'm gonna swap out my spatula for a whisk, and we're gonna get this all whisked up. Okay, this looks perfect. Okay, so our sauce is all mixed up. We just have to pop it in the fridge for a little bit, 30 minutes, preferably a little bit longer if you have the time. If you don't, it's okay. Just drop it in the fridge, let it hang out, because all these flavors are gonna come together and make this sauce even better. Okay, so I have some homemade fries that I cooked up in the air fryer. We're gonna give this In-N-Out sauce a bit of a test here. So let's dive in. Oh yeah, just look at that saucy deliciousness. Oh, it's awesome. It's almost like a Thousand Island dressing. I'm going in for another dip. I'm a flipping dipper. Flip it around. Oh, I could polish this off. This sauce is so good. You're gonna love it. Great for burgers, fries, onion rings, whatever you got, drizzle it on. And make sure you check out my recipe for In-N-Out's animal fries, because that's what this sauce is used on. They are insane. But this recipe, definitely a keeper. Thanks for watching. You can get the printable recipe in the video description below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing. And check out the rest of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I'll see you next time. Bye.